time we were going over intervals.
Yeah.
We're practicing on that.
If you're taking, here's an octave, you take this and lower it to the same pitch, so you got a unison. Still adds up to 9.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Alright, good. This is the chord progression.
Okay, so you could have E minor, D, A minor, C, and no G, and it'd still be in G key.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's funny because if it was a G there, it would, do you know the song?
Yeah.
It's almost that song. But if you went with E minor, yeah, you could, instead of a G, make it an E minor. I'm gone next week.
Okay.
But in 2 weeks we could do our morning one again.
Great.
Which
Cool.
at 10 o'clock.